exciting day. Okay, I'm here in Wildwood, guys. Got guys here from Prestige Plunge Pools. They've taken over the street. Trucks, cars, there's trucks around the corner here, waiting. It's all happening. Machines are all coming in. Come and have a look. Have a look at what we've got going in here. Starting big. Chucking it straight over the fence, straight into the truck. Beautiful. Actually starting the money shot. Awesome. Trying into it. I'll get out of his way before I get run over. Got the big going. Midday. Guys from Prestige are saying that we'll be swimming by tonight, so I'll hold him to it. It's a nice warm day with minus dip.
Yeah.
Now he's setting the height now of the pool, so we know where the decking is going to line up. Fantastic. Makes my bobcat driving look like an amateur. Great day for digging holes. Boys are getting there. Won't be long before we got a pool in there. Looking real good. All the pumps are in and everything. When I painted my wall, like I painted my wall yesterday. I'm in the trench, all the way to our big hole. Be a nice little swimming hole here. And as you can see, stormwater pipe hanging there in the middle of nowhere. Reroute that around the pool now. Awesome. So, holes in the ground, all the plumbing has been run, just waiting on a shell to be dropped in. A nice hole in the deck. This big bad boy's here ready, waiting for the pool to arrive, so they can just pick it up and drop it in. Rolled up. Looking the goods. Crane's here ready to go. Hole's been dug. It's all happening here. There she is. They're pulling up. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. That's a big boy, and there's the pool. They'll pick that up. Drop it in the hole. Got the two supervisors here, making sure it's all done right. I think $1 for every piece of equipment here at the moment. Gee. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a swimming pool. Here it is. Coming in hot. straight in. Took longer to hook up the crane than it did to actually lift the pool in.
Oh, extend that stick again.
I reckon they've done this once before, these boys.
Set before.
It's just I'm sure he lifted that out before.
I think it's supposed to go underneath it.
In the middle.
What is that? The rock sheets.
No idea. It's probably the invoice. Leave it in there.
That's the invoice.
Final invoice. Leave it under the pool. Coming in.
Is it big enough to hold?
It isn't big enough.
All good.
That's it. Is the pool big enough for my ass?
Two lines there, bro. That line there.
Well, I've seen a bit of the white interior.
So not this one at all.
Looking good.
Hole in it.
Got a hole in it. Looking good. Looking good. Straight in. And even touch the sides. Have a look at that. What a day. Pool is done. 6:30 this morning, there was nothing here. And the guys have come in, put in a huge one. And this thing's full of water, ready to swim in. Pretty happy there. Looks good. Bit of landscaping can be done outside now, but honestly, what more can you ask for? Finished product. Absolutely.